7:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6:19 p.m. Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles northwest of Apalachicola, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Gulf and northwestern Franklin counties, including the following locations: Howard Creek, Willis Landing, Buck Siding, and Fort Gadsden. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Gulf, Florida.
Goodness sake.